Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalix, or you guys could call me Shelly or Rosario, whichever you prefer. And I am doing another cook with me and clean. In this video, I don't do a lot of cleaning because my boyfriend already did the dishes before I started cooking, which was a great help. But I just did like a little tidy up after I made my pork chops and mac and cheese. So if you guys like these type of videos, just keep on watching. This video is in collaboration with Samantha from 2 Against 4, and after this video you guys should head over to her channel to check her video out. She also does cooks and clean with me, and she also does videos of what's for dinner, which she tells you what she has during the week. And I'll tell you guys that what she be making looks delicious. So yeah, definitely check out her channel and let her know you guys came from me. So when I cook, there's 4 main seasonings that I always use when it comes to seasoning meat, and that's adobo, garlic powder, onion powder, and sazon. I always use those 4 seasonings on pretty much every meat I make. And yeah, that's literally what all I put in there because, you know, I'm Spanish and we gotta have that adobo and sazon because, you know. I also do not measure my seasonings. I just sprinkle that on my meat until my ancestors start yelling at me, telling me to stop. But yeah, I don't use like tablespoons or any of that. So when I'm done mixing the meat with the seasonings, I end up using my air fryer, which I always do. I put it on 350 for 15 minutes on one side, and then when the 15 minutes is up, I'll put it another 15 minutes, and usually that's when it's all done. And yeah, do you guys have air fryers? And it always gets extremely dirty because mine always gets dirty and it's so gross, and I'm constantly always cleaning it. But I love this thing because I don't really want to fry in grease, so an air fryer is definitely much better than grease. But yeah, it just a lot of cleaning when it comes to this air fryer. I start boiling my mac and cheese. It's just pretty much just mac and cheese, guys. I put water and salt in a pot, put it on high, let it boil, put the shells in the boiling water, and then I use Velveeta cheese. That's the brand where I get my mac and cheese from. And yeah, I only make the mac and cheese for my boyfriend because, you know, I'm on a diet and I can't be eating mac and cheese whenever I want, I guess. But I decided just to do some avocado for myself. But you know, sometimes I like to eat like a little spoon or two of the mac and cheese whenever I make it for him because, you know, a little bit of carbs won't hurt. So yeah, just pretty much just this is what, look how nice and golden my pork chops is gonna look when I take it out the air fryer. It just looks absolutely delicious, and it was delicious because, you know, can't go wrong with pork chops. Well, sometimes you can go wrong if you season it really badly, but mine was on point, and look how delicious they look. Oh, golden brown all around, just amazing. Look how beautiful. Look at all this mac and cheese he be eating. Like, come on now. If I would have ate that, I would have gained like 60 pounds. But he over there eating as much mac and cheese as he wants, which I am so jealous of. But you know, I had myself some healthy avocado, the good fat. But I was really mad at this avocado. You know why? Because when I opened it up, the seed split open and I was struggling to take the skin off the avocado. See, what, like, come on now, come on, avocado, get your, you know, come on. It was just so messy me taking this off. I'm always messy when I'm taking the skin off my avocados, but I love avocados so much. I told you guys before, but I could eat it all the time, every day if I could. So here I am just cleaning up after myself. Like I said, my boyfriend did do the dishes beforehand, so I didn't have much dishes to do, which I was so excited for. So I just did a quick little cleaning of my dishes that I used up, and then I cleaned the sink as always. So you guys should really, after this, check out Samantha's channel because she is such a great person. She is so sweet, so kind, and I truly enjoy watching her videos. So I'm pretty sure you guys will too. And if you guys do check out her channel, let her know I sent you and tell her hi and that you enjoy her because you guys should, because I do. But anyways, if you guys are coming from Samantha's channel, welcome. I hope before you leave you subscribe to my channel because I do love everyone that is supporting, and I appreciate you guys all for commenting and viewing my videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, like I keep saying, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and even share this video because this does support my channel when you do all the above. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good night and goodbye. So if you guys made it to this part of video, I want you guys to comment below your favorite emoji. I am interested in what your favorite emoji is. And yeah, also follow me on Instagram at Styled by Rosario. I am going to do a giveaway soon. I'm not exactly sure what I want to give away, but yeah, just keep updated on my Instagram. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.